Morning, everybody. Just going to turn my system on. This morning I'm going to be using a R21 Samsung dynamic your basic mic. Testing. 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 And I'll be using a reverb in this condenser. I'll be using a Hall effect. And that's it. And I switched back to the normal setting, so I'm now talking to you in reverb language. Anyways, I'm going to follow up another video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this mic. I'm going to be using a condenser mic. This one right here. It's also from Samsung. C01 studio condenser mic. And as I'm setting that up, I'm going to upload this one, and we'll see you in a bit. Hope you enjoyed it.